Hi guys, today we're going to be talking still about multiplying binomials, but this time we're going to be talking about something called a conjugate binomial. It's going to look something like this, where we see that there is a positive version as well as a negative version in each of our binomials. Let's go ahead and do this as normal. Let's go ahead and FOIL these binomials. We're going to treat this exactly the same, and then we'll talk about the rule that we can apply to this after. So first things first, let's go ahead and FOIL this. So our f is x times x, which is x squared. Our o, x times negative 10, is minus 10x. Our I, positive 10x. And then finally, positive 10 times negative 10, which is negative 100. We FOILed it. Now we're going to combine like terms, which leaves us with x to the second. Now, I want us to see here, we have a minus 10x and a positive 10x. When you add positive 10 to negative 10, you end up with 0. So these middle terms are going to cancel out. They equal 0 when we combine those like terms. All we are left with is that minus 100. Okay? So x plus 10 times x minus 10 is the same thing as x squared minus 100. Now, what I want you to notice is that we can turn this into a rule. We notice that this first term is just x squared, and then all that's going to happen is we are going to square this number and always subtract it. 10 to the second is 100. We add in that subtraction sign in the middle. So let's go ahead and create a rule for these conjugate binomials. So when we have a minus b times a plus that b, it's going to equal a to the second power minus b to the second power. Let's go ahead and do a quick example just to show you how this works. Let's do x minus 8 times x plus 8. We see that we have 1 minus 8 and 1 positive 8. Let's go ahead and use this rule right here. Just a reminder, you guys might want to box this off, star it, highlight it, whatever, so that you guys know that it's super important here. And using this rule, our a value here is x. We're going to square it, minus the b value squared, which is 8. 8 squared is 64. Therefore, we know that x minus 8 times x plus 8 is the same thing or equal to x squared minus 64. Good job, guys. I will see you tomorrow.